Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome back to my channel. If you've been here, today we are doing, this might be like my best / most favorite style yet. We are doing pin curls. I'm starting off with these large bobby pins. I learned the hard way, like, just stop playing with the small bobby pins. Then we're gonna also add some Rosewater mixed with vitamin E oil to our locks to add some moisture back in. My hair was clean, but it was dry, so you know. This mousse is going to be the only styling / holding product that we use for the majority of our hair. But first of all, we're just going to start retwisting as we normally would. So whichever direction you retwist in, go ahead and start that. I twist the top of the lock and then I wrap the rest of the hair down the ends and palm roll it slightly. Then I take the end of my lock and I start to kind of roll it up like a snail shell or a cinnamon roll. So just starting at the bottom, you're going to curl it. For the back, I do it towards my face, but once you get to the top, you want to start to do it away from your face. So once again, that's pretty much what we're doing around the entire head. We're just gonna slightly retwist our hair, not too tight, and then start to roll up the locks like some mini cinnamon rolls. Here is a closer look at what that process is like. Once again, I'm wrapping the loose hairs around my locks. This is not even like a bomb retwist moment. This is just for the curls. I'm wondering if I should go back in and do a retwist like at the end of this month, but whatever, we'll see. I still love this style. But yeah, here I am rolling it up again. I like to just have my 2 fingers right there to make sure that the little bun or roll is staying in place, and so that I know that it's as tight as I want it to be. We don't want it to be hurting, but you do want these to be lasting curls at the end of the day. Right here, I'm figuring out how deep I want my part. Y'all know me. Love a good side part. For some reason with styling, I always do a side part. Maybe I should try a middle part with this style because I think it might look bomb too with little curls framing your face. Anyways, I went with a deep side part, and once I got that all mapped out, I started to just only do the rolls on that side. This is what it looks like when you have the majority of your hair done. And it's honestly funny, like, I'm not used to wearing my locks super away from my face. So this can be a whole new hairstyle for some people. For me, it gives me mother's board, first lady, usher, I don't know. But other people think it's pretty, so if you want to do it, I'm gonna let you rock. I think it would look really nice, like with some dangly earrings, makeup done, eyebrows, you know, the works. Or you don't even gotta do all that, you can just wear it like this. But I do kind of like how it looks with all the buns / little petals like layered on top of each other. It's a very pretty style. This is what my hair is looking like after I've done every single lock. And again, I did all these individually. Every single lock is rolled up. This is a close-up of what it looks like. The extra product is just mousse that's gonna blend in and go away. I left this in my hair for a day, just air dried. Since my hair wasn't soaking wet, it was no problem just to leave it air dried. And yeah, I'll see y'all for the takedown. Got curls, hey, I got curls, hey. I am so happy with the way that my curls turned out, like, y'all. These might actually be the best curls that I've done with my locks. That might be due to my hair like being kind of longer, but I really like this method. No rollers, no flexi rods, no pipe cleaners, none of that, and you can get curls that look like this. Like, I'm literally so happy. I want the curls to last forever. And I didn't even do this on soaking wet hair. That's like what's crazy. But this is the finished look. I hope that you all enjoy it and hopefully try it out. Valentine's Day is coming up. If you have not gone out already, shout out to the homies, lovers, and friends. Try this style when you get a chance. Let me know in the comments below if you are going to try it. And if you're not going to try it, let me know what style you got planned for Valentine's Day. Okay? I will see. I'm just feeling myself right now. Like, she said she gonna do what to who? Okay, I'm done. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye.